Hello friends, as you might know, I live in Hong Kong and today I'm gonna show you the beautiful scene of Hong Kong from the peak. So I took the peak tram and reached here and it's amazing. Look at the upcoming views, my dear friends. It's just amazing. The tall skyscrapers and buildings can be seen from afar and it is just great to look at this stuff. I knew that I lived in here but I never knew it was so beautiful. Don't you just love it?
But you're the spark to blame, and there's fire burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire.
As you can see, I'm at the very top of Hong Kong and
through my veins. But I said you're the spark to blame, and there's fire.